Hello, everyone. Welcome to Suplari's YouTube channel. Happy to have you here. I am Brian White. I'm the Chief Product Officer here at Suplari. And as you may or may not know, we're really helping procurement and finance teams at Suplari to identify opportunities in the data spread across a lot of different systems. And that could be cost savings, it could be supplier risk, or it could be compliance. And it's even more important now than ever because companies are reassessing their own businesses in our current climate. And we have been really talking or getting inbound requests from a lot of our customers to build specific insights for them. So I thought it was a good time to kind of introduce our insight development team, which I'm going to do, and they can talk to you about some of the cool insights we've built and a little bit on what's coming up. So with that, I'm going to hand off to Sam.
Thanks, Brian. Really excited to be here, and this is a wild and crazy time with COVID-19. But what we've found that a lot of our customers, there's been a lot of conversations around conserving cash and different strategies on how we can do that. What we really found was conserving cash through delaying your payment types or when you pay out has been a big focus for our customers. One of our insights that we're building right now is looking at different payment terms and seeing if there's opportunities to push back the payment terms to a more efficient date. So for example, we have a customer that has payment terms for the same vendor that's net 15, net 30, and net 60. We're basically trying to identify the cost of capital it takes to push all those terms back to the net 60, which is surprisingly a lot of cash savings. That's really helpful as we're kind of buckling down during the COVID-19. This time I'm going to pass it on to Shi. And Shi, I think you have some great insights to share.
Thanks, Sam. Hi, I'm Shi. I'm a data analyst on the Insight Outlier team. And the favorite insight I built is called the Early Contract Renewal Insight. So the insight highlights the contracts that are with both fiscal year end date and contract expiring date are soon. So those are the opportunities for customers to renew the contracts early for potential savings. During the process of building this insight, I leveraged technologies like Yahoo Finance API, SEC API, and Amazon S3 to extract fiscal year end data. I like this insight because it's a great example to show Insight Generator ability and flexibility to bring external useful data to bring insights. Now I'm going to hand off to Bryn for his favorite insight.
Hi, I'm Bryn Luisi, an engineer on the Insight authoring team. My favorite insights that I've worked on are the Outlier Insights that use the bootstrap method. So this is now our standard method for calculating outliers. So you will just see it as AP or P-card outliers. And I really enjoyed implementing it because it was fun coming up with an efficient way to take many bootstrap samples on a large amount of data. Since you have to iterate so many times to get the bootstrap samples, it can be very slow. The other interesting thing about bootstrapping is that you can tell how confident we are about population statistics. For example, we could say we are 95% confident that transactions above $5 million are in the 99th percentile for PwC. And this just gives you a little bit more granularity that you wouldn't normally get if you were just calculating the 99th percentile without using bootstrapping. And not only does this insight show you possible cases of like logging errors or fraud, but it can also just help you understand your spend distributions better because outliers or high amounts in your spend are important to understanding it. And I really enjoyed building it, so I hope you enjoy using it.
Great. Well, thank you guys for for the introductions and talking about some of those. We're working on a whole set of insights that really, as Sam mentioned, focus on improving cash flow and identifying suppliers that you may not want to, make that full lump sum annual payment up front. So you'll be seeing from Suplari a number of video demos and of additional blog posts on these different insights that we're working on. Obviously we'd love to have you as Suplari customers, but they also can maybe give you some ideas of things you can do at your own company to try and help the business right now. So thanks everyone for spending the time, and expect more videos from us in the near term. Goodbye.